Hey, what's up everyone? It's me again, Matt for Tech On Site. Let's have a quick video on how to use file share on Oracle VirtualBox. So let's get right into it. All right, so if you're using an Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox Manager, so you would probably think how to use file share in order to access some files from your host, which is possibly your local machine, towards your virtual machine VM. All right. So just a quick disclaimer. In my case, I've already performed the steps. So I'll just walk you through on how I did, on how I enabled the file share on my Oracle VirtualBox, but we'll just simulate it. All right. So in my case, I have prepared first the folder which I'd like to access from my local machine towards my virtual VM. And that is the Citrix installer folder, which is under drive F, right? So the first thing that needs to be done is under devices, we have to install the insert guest additions CD image. So this would enable the file share in your Oracle VM, right? Once you have selected it, on your file explorer on your VM, it would mount a CD drive which contains an installer which you have to install. In my case, I've installed the AMD 64 because I'm using an AMD processor. So I just open it, run as administrator, put in my admin, and there you go. It's as easy as next until it completes the installation. All right. So once installed, you have to go back to devices and go to shared folders. And then select shared folders settings. All right. So from there, you have to select this add new shared folder button. And this is pretty much a straightforward configuration. You have to select the folder path, which you'd like to share. Put in a folder name. You have an option to read only and auto mount and make it permanent. So in my case, I've clicked this, select other, and selected the path which I'd like to share, which is Citrix installer. Click select folder, and I place a name which is Citrix installer. I selected auto mount and make permanent and click OK. All right. So in my case, I've done it before, so I'll just click cancel, and yeah, from there. When you hit OK, you have to hit OK again here to apply. And yeah, bada bing, bada boom. When you open File Explorer, there you go. So it would show the folder which you've shared. All right. So each time that you select File Explorer, it's auto-mounted. And this one is very useful if you're going to access files from your host, like ISO files, etc. All right, so basically, guys, there you go. That's how to enable the file share in Oracle VirtualBox. And if you find this video helpful, hit the like button. If not, hit the dislike button. And see you again on my next video.